All right. Another day, another live stream. The internet is back up in my office. I can make videos and go live. And so here we go. Another day, another live stream on YouTube and on TikTok. I am about to go live on TikTok. Rapid fire. Here we go. All right. Live on YouTube and TikTok at the same time. So hello. Hussein, what's up, my man? You are first. Good morning, Tim. Mark. Hello, Mo. Good morning, Lucian. Hello, everyone. All right, it's already at the point where I can't say hello to everyone. So I see you all. Serge, Cypress, sell everything. We're done. Osgod. Good morning, B Winman. Good morning, everyone. All right, Sulman, James. What is going on, Matthew? I hope you're being a little jokey. Let's lighten up. Let's lighten the mood here. Please understand that Bitcoin, that crypto does this. Okay? So, yeah, we're done. The sky is falling. Just sold. Now what? Oh, my goodness. Listen, I hope you're not selling like everything right now. Here's something that I like to do. I'm still bullish on DGI game, yes. I like to, when I see a move down like this, I do like to take some out. That relieves the pressure. And it's also one of these things where one day, all right, Matthew's being joking. Okay, one day we're going to see a drop like this and it will be over. It's not today. That day is not today, okay? So yeah, it's going to 10K. So it is what it is. I'm live on YouTube, by the way. Live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I'm looking at a chart, and who knows, maybe we're going to lose this channel, but Bitcoin is just at the bottom of the channel. It's like, okay, maybe this is the bottom. Maybe we lose the channel. If we lose the channel, it's the pre-halving dip. That happens every time. Still bullish on Arbitrum, yeah. Thoughts on Fetch going up today? I mean, we'll see. We will see. Germany is in the house. Hello. Good morning, GC, everyone. Let's see. Are we cooked? No. All is lost. Yeah. It's over. The bear market is here. Sell it all. Sell it all. How do you know today is not the day? Probability. That's a good question, Top Honcho. Let's think of this in terms of probability. Yesterday was not a great day for Bitcoin ETF inflows, but when I refer to not a great day, we still had $132 million worth of Bitcoin bought and taken out of the system. All right, so that's what we consider as not a good day. That's still 2 times the amount of Bitcoin that was mined yesterday. That's not a good day. So we'll see about today. All right, and yeah, if today's the day, I'm horrible at price predictions. Everyone's horrible at price predictions if today's the day. And then we have the halving coming up. Every halving, things are historically bullish. The levels of accumulation, just the general direction that we have gone historically, looking at things. Today is not the day. All right, so it's it's an above 0% chance that today's the day. BlackRock's buying 6,000 Bitcoin per day. They bought less yesterday, but RSI was telling for Bitcoin, yeah, listen, watch my most recent TikTok. We have been extremely overbought on every metric possible. And so I don't have you muted. No, there's no way I can respond to every comment here. We were overbought on every metric possible. And so let's just say, if these Bitcoin ETFs are going to cool off a little bit in their accumulation, we will go down. And that's okay. That's okay. Because there's going to be another run up after that. And they will continue to accumulate even at only $132 million a day. of Bitcoin being bought, that's still insane. So again, guys, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. I'm going to answer every question there for now. So all is lost. Okay. By Aptos, AOS, and ICP in the dip. Sure. Yeah. Especially, I mean, what's AOS looking like right now? It's down 4%. I mean, AOS just holding up strong. Let's see. Ajax. I mean, same deal. It's holding pretty strong. So let's see. Greetings, WWB. I seriously think to go to sleep and wake up in 6 months. My coins ain't moving for a while and now dropping, having no extra buying power. Maybe that's not a bad idea. I don't think that's a bad idea, Taritmo. Yeah. So is it over for Matic? It's over for nothing. It is over for no cryptocurrencies right now. All right. Don't be panicking. Listen, you see Matic bouncing off its 200 period EMA on the 4-hour chart. Yeah. Spot the newbies during one small crash. That's right. We're fine. All right. And then looking at the funding rate heat map here, we are all green except for whiff, dog whiff hat. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little bit of a bounce today. Honestly. Are we coming out of the bull run? What do you mean? Oh, no. We're not coming out of the bull run. We may have a pre-halving dip, but no. Yeah, zoom out, people. Let's look at the daily chart, because the daily chart is telling you to not be afraid. Oh no, we had 2 red days. So yeah, pre-halving dip. Look at the history. That's exactly what I'm saying. Yeah. So let's see. Just landed in Paris and coins are down. Hodling. All right. What would you buy right now? I don't know. I did close out all my longs just in case. I want to reevaluate today. But anything that I've had high conviction on, I want to buy again. So, Pendle, Render, Tau. Tau's down pretty big. I want to buy Tau. So don't you think we're going down 45% dominance so alts can run eventually? Not right now. Not right now. Listen, on the weekly chart, so the big thing that Bitcoin has to do is surpass and then hold its previous all-time high. The same thing happened in 2021. In the fourth quarter of 2021, Bitcoin did not hold its all-time high. On a weekly candle, Bitcoin has not held its all-time high. So we're not talking about Altseason just yet. We may have to wait a decent amount longer now. So head and shoulder pattern or 52K. Where are we seeing head and shoulders? Head, maybe we'll see a shoulder play. I could see that, maybe. I'm not holding my breath on that. Bitcoin dominance chart is still high. Oh, roughly 20 days from now. I see you, Nick. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head on over to YouTube. I'm trying to answer every question there. There's no way I can answer every question on TikTok. Do I think Litecoin will pump in alt season? Yes, I do. Yeah. Still bullish on ICP. Yes. Any question, any crypto that I have been bullish on, I am still bullish on that cryptocurrency. So let's see. Thoughts on AI coins such as Ajax and Fetch from now? I mean, I've been talking about selling some of my AI coins before the NVIDIA conference, but then seeing the action for the last few days makes me not as interested in selling Fetch AI and Ajax. But if we do have that pre-halving dip that we're talking about, these AI coins are overbought like crazy. So, maybe even NVIDIA conference or not, maybe you should be taking some profits right now. Can you make a Manta price prediction earlier? No, Manta's in a few days. Let's get to the price target spreadsheet. Manta's very soon. So, good time to buy Coke Inu. I think so. I think we're just in the middle. We're gonna Manta's 3 days from now, so I'll cover Manta in a few days. Is Bitcoin Cash gonna rally? I think so. Yeah, I've warmed up a lot to Bitcoin Cash. Thank you, Inek. AOs or Flux for greater gains? I would say AOs. They're both good, but I would say AOs. Are Are you still holding Syncus? I am. Yeah, I'm still holding it. I think it's going to go higher. BlackRock coming in shortly. Hey, the stock market just opened. So let's see what happens with Bitcoin. I mean, I'm assuming we're going to see Grayscale sell some like they've been doing. Bitcoin Cash buy at 290, sell at 1100. That sounds about right. Yeah. What about Azero? Good opportunity. I don't own any. I'm not in love with Azero. I know that they boast like this amazing tech trying to solve the blockchain trilemma. I just hate charts that look like that, especially for newer cryptocurrencies. Am I holding OXN? I would be. So hey, I fall prey to these scams, right? I do too. So there was this big wormhole airdrop that happened last week. And so I wanted to click to see if I was eligible for some wormhole, and I clicked on the wrong site, and my OX number got sucked from my wallet. It wasn't a huge amount, but I now no longer own any OX number. Anytime you see the word airdrop, I was careless. Anytime you see the word airdrop, okay, be extra cautious. Just be extra cautious. So let's see. Buy Brett. Let's see. Hold on a second. Pendle has completely different market caps on CoinGecko and CMC. Which one is right? Let me go to CoinGecko here. Oh, Syncus is the default one. Oh, Syncus, you idiots. Dance in the dance. Dance in the dance. Let's see. Buy Brett. Sure. I mean, Brett's at a $400 million market cap. I have some Brett. I think it's going over $1 billion. So circulating supply, 96 million. Price, $2.62. That would seem to suggest a $253 million market cap. But let's see on coinmarketcap.com. Syncus to the moon, sure. Beppe, what about it? I made a video. My second most recent video was on Beppe. So let's see here. Thoughts on, I bought Pendle this morning. What's your thoughts? I mean, you give it time, it's gonna pay off very well for you, in my opinion. So on CoinMarketCap, it has a circulating supply of 238 million. I don't know. The circulating supply numbers are different. I'm going to have to look into that. Yes, I'm still holding Syncus. How to buy Beppe. Watch my video on how to buy Brett on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. And guys, I am live on YouTube right now, World War Bitcoin. Thoughts on Orange? I like it. I don't own any, but I like it. So, let's see. Let's look at Call Hub. I own Call Hub. Hold on a second. Where are we? So I own Call Hub, and I've been paying attention. And finally, it looked like Call Hub was really struggling there, but Call Hub has bounced back. So, yeah. Yes, still holding Syncus. Root is the only coin in my portfolio that didn't dip. All right, I like Root. Predictions for ICP in the coming months, I don't know. It's I know people are getting very impatient, but I think ICP is going to do well. I think it's going to do very well. I still have the same level of conviction as I've had. Why are we dumping? Portfolio down like 4K. Ah! Yeah, Call Hub. This isn't a surprise to me, man. You just got to be patient with cryptocurrencies like this. Please don't spam. Bro, Chaps prediction. I don't know anything about Chaps. Magical blocks, 0.4 cents, 0.04 cents. Nothing. All right, Shane, my Beppe won't cash out on Coinbase Wallet because no liquidity. You have to do it in Sushi Swap. Hook your Coinbase Wallet into Sushi Swap. What would you invest 20K into now? I would invest it into what I've been investing. High conviction plays, but also, the narratives, grabbing a hold of the narratives. What are some of the best wallets in your opinion? I'm on Exodus right now. I like Trust Wallet and MetaMask. So Bitcoin will hit 80K before March ends. then alts rally will happen. I hope you're right, Met. I hope you're right. What do you think about Scale Network? The RSI is looking good. There's good opportunities. I like Scale. I own some Scale. Let's take a look at Scale. Exactly 10 cents. So, I mean, look, it's in an uptrend. You can see it clearly. It's in an uptrend. For some reason, my RSI is not showing up right now. So I don't know what's going on with TradingView here. But I will say Scale looks fine. It looks good. Do I like AXGT? I love AXGT. I'm in AXGT. I have a lot of AXGT. Loving it. So wait on render until after the NVIDIA conference. That might not be a bad idea. Yeah, wait to buy render until after the NVIDIA conference. I'm still holding Produce AI. Wow, do you own all the altcoins? It feels like it. When would you consider taking profits for AI coins? I'd be okay taking some profits right now. I'm not going to sell as many AI coins as I thought I was going to leading up to this conference because of the fact that they've been chopping these last few days. That is not how buy the rumor, sell the news works. AMP will run again. Do I think AMP is done or will it run again? I made a video on my YouTube channel yesterday about AMP, and I gave it a price target of like a little under 5 cents. So it still has a little bit more to go. It's not like, I don't think it's going to do anything insane. AMP looks like it's going to die, but there's money to be made in the retrace. So, and I'm talking about just fundamentally, AMP looks like it's going to die. Any new low cap? Not yet. No, not yet. But I'll get there. People say during crash, accounts and wallets will go down and you can't get money out or make trades. True. How do you avoid? I have not heard that. I don't know who's saying that. So what about Mint Layer and Viot? Bullish on both. And I'm not in love with Viot, but I still do very much believe in Mint Layer. Mint Layer did a 50x in a month. You got to wait for it to cool off. Do you know any projects with VRA and Pendle potential? Looking for one more? Not off the top of my head. I'm sure there's plenty. So, I mean, Chlor. I've been talking about Chlor a lot. Pro doubled overnight. Okay. Arrow $7. Don't know. Let's see. Arrow. When do you usually update trading spreadsheet? I've been doing it during the live streams, during the member-only live streams, Leroy. So I did make a member-only post this morning. Yeah, Arrow could go to $7. I did a member-only post this morning saying that I was closing out all my longs and removing all my calls. I want to see how today goes with the accumulation with the ETFs. So. Boj will be fine. Will base coins eventually be available on Coinbase? I have them all, but that would skyrocket them. I could see that. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I could see that. Well, I don't know. So is it going to just going to be Coinbase Wallet or is it going to be Coinbase? I don't know. AXGT price prediction. It's over a $100 million market cap right now. I think it's at least going to 500 million, but that might be too low. Buy Brett on base or some other chain. Watch the video that I made on my YouTube channel here. It's you got to convert your ETH to base ETH. Thank you, Stuart. And then you've got to go to Kyber Swap. What do you think about the project block? They are selling miners now and pre-sale of coin. I don't know anything about that. Kava, not a fan. Way too inflationary tokenomics. Way too inflationary. Guys, I'm live on YouTube, by the way. World War Bitcoin. Thoughts on OLAS? Don't know enough about it. Think Telrock will reach all-time high this bull run? I do not. It could, but that's a long way up for Telcoin. And I own some Telcoin. I'm excited about owning Telcoin. I'm excited about the retrace. The retrace. Look at how much higher it has to go to hit a new all-time high. What is that? That's much higher. So, Floki, very bullish on Floki. Is Pendle a good buy now? Yes. How do you feel about Near? I like Near. I think it's going to put in a new all-time high this time around. $7.54. World War Bitcoin on YouTube. I'm live. Where's Bonk going? Eventually it's going to go higher. They're buying Bitcoin. Somebody's buying Bitcoin. Hit the likes, people. Let's grow this channel. Thank you, Chris. What's Bitcoin doing right now? Stock market is open. Bitcoin is moving up. Bitcoin's moving up. What do you think of Helium Mobile? I'm not a fan of Helium Miners, HNT, but Helium Mobile, you know, there's a lot of growth potential for that, so you never know. Let's see. 100K Bitcoin and massive 50% correction by May. I might be with you on that, Chris. I mean, look, Bitcoin is just going up the channel. Thank you, Kiki. Bitcoin is just going up the channel. I've been talking about this channel. I mean, maybe we'll have a pre-halving dip. Maybe we'll have a scare, but as long as Bitcoin is in the channel, I believe that Bitcoin will continue to go up the channel. And so that puts us at over $100,000. I could see us losing the channel by May 23rd, but let's see. When will you put, yeah, answered that. LCR prediction, I don't have one. All right. Sorry, guys. I am so far behind now that I'm going to focus on members only comments, and I'll still try to respond to some of you. Alex, do you recommend taking profits when 2x or when 30 to 40%? 3x. Well, no. Take profits when you see a cryptocurrency pump, not financial advice. But then when it gets to a 3x, I like to take out my initials and then just chip away at that. I'm still in Bepe, yes. I would, if you got in early, I'd recommend taking your initials out. All right, so Brett Link. I mean, come on. You know, no. All right, sure, Brett Link. You want me to do the work of finding a Brett Link? Should I have more Shiba in Doge at this price? Yes. Yes. Do you hold any ADA? Yes, I do. Am I still in Pry? Yes, I am. So I am still in pretty much everything. I'm posting the Brett link here. There you go. All right, what do we have here? Good morning, everyone. Buying the dip. There we go. Could you make an update on Hollow? You know, I'll add Hollow Chain to the list here, but it's going to be a little bit. Back up the truck. Halloy. Not Halloy. When is ICP going to recover? After you sell. After you sell, then it will recover. Which do you think will be the best performers out of Doge, Pepe, Shib, Bonk, and Floki? My tendency would be to just go with the lower market cap crypto. Lower market cap crypto. That is Bonk between all of those. But you never know. I mean, Pepe has a lot of excitement. So people moving from Brett to Normie. Okay. You're welcome, Damas. Let's see. ADA to $8. Where do I have ADA on my price prediction spreadsheet? Cardano is at $4.86. Where is Cardano? $4.86 right there. Corgi, I could see Corgi doing well. Coke Inu as well. Let's see. What's a good buy right now? I mean, cryptos are on sale. So still in on Doge, yes. Yes, I am. I've taken some out, but I'm in on Doge. And I've taken, you know, everything that you're asking, am I still in on? I've taken profits out of pretty much everything, you know. Brett is the light. Okay. Do you hold Bitcoin? If so, would you be taking profits on it or just holding for a very, very long time as the supply is limited? I wouldn't take, like, all right, when Bitcoin got to $53,000, I took profits a little bit on Bitcoin, but largely on my Bitcoin miners. And I got a lot of crap from some of you about taking profits on my Bitcoin miners. I sold, as of right now, I sold the top. I sold the top of my Bitcoin miner, Marathon and Riot. I sold over $30, and that was right around when Bitcoin got to $53,000. And so now it's at $18. Maybe Marathon's a good one to buy back in on. And same for Riot Blockchain. So Aegis AI, the little that I know about it, I think I like it a lot. but I need to look into it more. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head on over there, hit the subscribe button. I make price target videos every day on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. All right, so a lot of cryptos you're asking about. I've already done research. I've already made videos about those cryptocurrencies. So Coke, Bonk, or Pepe to buy right now? You know what? I'm going to say Coke, and I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'm doing that on purpose. What happened with Pepe? It pumped, and then people took profits. So that's what's going to happen. Any cryptocurrency, small market cap like that I make a video about, it's going to pump, and then people are going to take profits, and then it's going to settle into a new level here. So good morning. Hello, Diamond. All right, Crow. So Bitcoin, what I've been saying about Crow is after Bitcoin crosses and holds its previous all-time high, Crow will pump like crazy. Bitcoin, if you look at a weekly candle, we had that wick up to $73,000, but Bitcoin has not held its previous all-time high. So Bitcoin has to hold its all-time high. And so maybe we're going to make another run up. I mean, the stock market right now, I mean, not the stock market's open, and Bitcoin right now is looking pretty strong. So we'll see if this continues to happen. I wouldn't be surprised if there was a lot of buying volume with the BlackRock ETF. But be patient with Crow. When Euphoria returns, Crow is going to go wild. $1.80 is my price target. I don't know anything about TVK. So Alephium or Caspa, I'd say Alephium. Alephium, I think, has more upside potential than Caspa. Alephium is, all right, you know what? I need to open my trading spreadsheet here. Wait, where is Alephium right now? Alephium is exactly where I wanted it to go, but it bounced from there. Man, I should have shown a little bit more conviction. I'm sorry to my members on YouTube. Look at that. It bounced exactly off of where where I thought it was going to bounce. That's why, man. So, I mean, could it go lower? But yes, it could. But this is the zone. I would probably put I'd probably put a limit order right here, $2.45. I'm going to put a limit order at $2.45. What about Beam? Very bullish on Beam. 27 cents is my price target. So, still bullish on VRL. I'm a little nervous about VRL. They keep on having to deal with this FUD, and then they paid somebody else. I'm done being a partner with VRL. It's just too stressful. They paid somebody else to another influencer. They paid him a lot of money to make daily videos about their crypto, and he's ghosting them right now. And so, I mean, man, it was a lot of money, and I don't know. I mean, it's possible that they may not be able to recover from that. So, don't know anything about Wilder World. What's the website you use for ETFs buying daily numbers? It's farside.co.uk/?P=997. I'm going to post that here. Am I bullish on Jasmine? I'm very bullish on Jasmine. So, any thoughts on H-bar? I made a video on my YouTube channel here. Don't buy H-bar, you stupid idiot. Pry is going to go higher. Man, the question's about Pry. Yes. Do you think Injective has another 5x pump? Yes, I do. Absolutely. What will be the Yearn pump or Yearn price? I don't know. I don't have a Yearn price. I'm not really interested in Yearn. So, here comes the Bitcoin wick to 75K to liquidate the shorts. Market makers win every time. I hope you're right, Miles. That would be fantastic. And I mean, looking at the price action right now, it does look like I wouldn't be surprised if these ETFs are buying the dip right now. And then, man, look at that. The bottom of the channel. I mean, I know it didn't go exactly to the bottom of the channel for Bitcoin, but this is proof, this is proof. Technical analysis works. You need to have the right level of conviction. It's insane, man. Alephium. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I canceled that long. That was perfect. It's probably not going back down there. I might just open a long on Alephium right now. And then, it might still go back down there, but guys, I have members only live streams on my YouTube channel every Tuesday and Thursday, and we look at all of this price action. So I want to pull up my trading spreadsheet here, and I want to see. So I did cancel all of these, cancel the limit orders for all of these here. Algorand, Alephium, Thorchain. Did Thorchain fill? Man, I bet Thorchain filled perfectly. So $8.88 was my entry on Thorchain. Where'd it get down to? $8.64. It wicked below, but that would have filled if I didn't cancel it. This all seems manipulated to keep the price low before halving. Sure. Yeah. Hello, Apostolos. I will check out the H-bar video. Yeah, 40 something cents is my price target. I'm very bullish on H-bar next time around, not this time. Loop ring, I could see loop ring doing very well. Yeah. Do I need to exchange render ERC20 to cash out in the future? Not on Coinbase. I don't know where you have it. So looking at Abyss World, how does the chart look for you? I mean, if it's a brand new cryptocurrency, there's no such thing as technical analysis on newer, smaller cryptocurrencies, but I will look at it. All right. You're welcome, Drew. Coinbase. Yeah. Why are there two renders on Coinbase? There's different cryptocurrencies will build on different blockchains or will make their cryptos available on different blockchains. It doesn't matter. Either one's fine. If you're going to transfer a render out of Coinbase, I would not buy the ERC21 because then you'll have to pay fees on it. So fully diluted valuation, 41 million. What is this? I'm assuming what is it, a gaming or metaverse crypto? I mean, I don't know what to say about this. This is the all-time chart. I mean, it looks like it's climbing. So sure. Much love, James Brown. Best wallet, MEMECOINS. I mean, on the Solana network, I would say the Phantom wallet, and most MEMECOINS are being traded on Solana. So do you think Beppe will rally again? Yes, but you got to be patient with it. I want to point something out to you. This website's wild. Pump.fun. You think ICP do a good run? Yes. Got to be patient. What is a layer 1, layer 2, layer 3? A layer 1 is a blockchain, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche. That's a layer 1. A layer 2 is something built on that blockchain to maybe improve it or to utilize its functions, its capabilities, its benefits. A layer 3 would be something built on a layer 2. So this is wild. Guys, if you're on TikTok, I'm telling you, you got to head over to my YouTube right now. This website is called Pump.fun. And what it does is you can you can do one of two things on this website. You can buy these brand new, and I'm talking about super unbelievably brand new meme coins that are being launched like every minute. And you can buy in and trade, and then if there's enough people who buy in, the liquidity will be burned and will be put on Radium, and the chart will start trading on Radium and all these websites. And it's insane. So let me read the instructions here. Pick a coin that you like, buy a coin on the bonding curve, sell it anytime to lock in your profits or losses. When enough people buy on the bonding curve, it reaches a market cap of $69,000. $12,000 of liquidity is then deposited in Radium and burned, and then the cryptocurrency is off. It's off to the races. And then what happens when it's deposited on Radium is these sniper bots will get in and drive the price up like crazy. Now, good luck. Good luck selling when that happens, because a lot of times the transaction will be reverted, and we'll show you that the transaction would fail. But if you can sell, you'll be up huge. And so not only is that how this website works, but then you can create a new coin. Oh my goodness. You can create a new coin, a new fair launch, locks liquidity, rug pull proof coin on their website. And you can do this literally within 30 seconds. And so I could create Alex Coin. All right, Alex Coin, ticker, Alex Soul, description, Alex Costa Coin, and then upload an image, and then connect my wallet and pay 0.02 Solana, and then the coin will get created, and then you shill it, and maybe people buy in, maybe people don't. And so maybe I'm going to make a video about this. If I do, it's insane. I could not think of in a more ridiculous degen play than if I were to create a cryptocurrency on this website and then pump it on my TikTok and then to the moon. I don't know. So site name, Pump.fun. Pump.fun. Make a video about it. Oh man. It just seems a little too wild. Even I would make decent money off if I did that. I would create the cryptocurrency. I'd be the first one buying in. I'd make a decent amount of money off of that. And then lots of you would make good money off of it. But then on the other side, lots of people would lose money about it too. Yeah, which one's better, Pepe, Floki, or Shib? I think they're all going to do great. My money is on Pepe between those. Kind of like Pink Sale. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't looked into Pink Sale. So imagine if Taylor Swift did this. Yeah. Costa Coin. Yeah, there we go. That could be a name for it. Beppe, what about it? I know, man. You guys, you got to know how this works. So many people ask about Produce AI and about Beppe. All right, I make a video, the coin pumps. People take profits because the coin pumped. And then it chops for a bit, and then it'll go higher. So Litecoin, $466 is my price target. Sol is Bay. Yeah, these are all on Pump.fun. Those are all Solana meme coins, by the way, too. So thoughts on now, Netensor. I've looked into it. I remember looking into it and really liking it, but I don't know enough about it. Netensor. Saturated market. There's a sign of a saturated market. Yeah. Just the tip. Recommend buying Pepe at these prices. I mean, Pepe's on a tear. I'm saying Pepe's going to $45 million market cap, so I'm sticking with it. Already talked about Telcoin. Thank you, Jim. Guys, again, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the subscribe button. Can you look at Cryptex Finance, Finster? Man, all right. Somebody with a Cryptex exchange, Cryptex username on my TikTok has been shilling that like crazy. And just commenting, hey, Cryptex Finance, you got to buy it. It's on Coinbase. I'm like, okay, that's fine. It's up 41% today, and you can get it on Coinbase. I just get skeptical when people are like, hey, check out my cryptocurrency. The volume has picked up a lot. Okay, last time I checked this, volume was terrible. So now volume looks really, really good, which makes me think that it actually is worth getting into this. So, all right, live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Do you think I should sell my 20 ETH for alts? If you only own ETH, I would diversify. Yeah. What's happening? Altcoins going down. Yesterday was not a good day for ETF flows, people taking profits, all of that. I mean, over the last couple hours, coins are not going down, so maybe we're recovering. The stock market opened. Bitcoin is moving up. So we are still very much within this channel. We are within the channel. And is it okay to go to the bottom of the channel? I think it's fine. So Solana or near, I would say Solana is higher conviction, but near would most likely, in my opinion, give better returns. No, you know what? No, Solana. So, all right, live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin, Solana or ETH better from here on out. Solana is probably going to give you better returns. I mean, ETH is such a huge market cap. So, what AI coin are you most excited about? It's hard to be most excited about one coin. I would say I would give you 5. AOS, Fetch, Render, Clore, and Ajax maybe. So, breaking. Grayscale has just transferred 2,103 Bitcoin worth of 142.74 million to Coinbase. I'm not worried about that. I mean, that's in line. If they're selling that crypto, I mean, let me read to you the last 5 days how much Bitcoin they have sold. Yesterday they sold 257 million. The day before 276 million. The day before 79 million. The day before that 494 million dollars worth of Bitcoin. The day before that 302 million dollars worth of Bitcoin. That doesn't seem like breaking news. That seems like that it is what it is. So just got Brett, you give great content. Thank you, John. Hope it goes well for you. Do you hold Bitcoin? If so, would you be taking profits on it or just looking for a very long time? AKZ, I already answered your question. I have already taken profits of $53,000. I'm holding the rest. Acosta coin to the moon. Sol or Quant? I would ride the winner. Solana is the winner right now. I very much think that Quant is going to go higher. I did close my long on Quant. I was up pretty decent on it. Why am I blanking right now? But I opened a long at 133 yesterday and rode that up a little bit. But now, oh wait, when was that? Yeah, I mean, I rode it up a little bit, but now it's down. So had an ad on YouTube. Oh, well, not your fault. Bendog near $7. What? Yeah, near's at $7 right now. Let's see, Boj. Listen, I know meme coins in general, they're going down right now. I mean, I know you have all these random pumps. So, Cryptex again, huh? What do you think of CTX tokenomics? Only 10 million. All right, total supply 10 million, max supply 10 million, circulating supply 5.7 million. So nobody talk about Atom. I don't care about Atom. I care about their ecosystem a lot. I do not care about Atom. Why is Flowcoin getting down? Everything's getting down. So it's not just Flow. The market's down. So daily vesting schedule. Let's see here. Okay. Wait a second. Something's not right. So January of 2024, the supply is pretty much supposed to be maxed out. So it might be that coin market cap is wrong. And if the supply is maxed out, then Cryptex is fine. So I'd be curious to know how they're making money. Still on Chainlink. Chainlink, I have not said that I'm holding Chainlink. I do think Chainlink's going to go higher, but my price target for Chainlink's $58.33. So Chainlink's within a range. It's fine. It is below the POC. That's interesting. It's probably, I mean, when you see it below the POC like this, the volume profile, point of control, that's generally a good time to get in. You see Chainlink, the Chainlink loves to range. You see Chainlink gets to the bottom of the range, it's a good time to get in. Brett launched on BitGet today. Why is the price there so different from the one on CoinEx? I have no idea. There may not be all that much liquidity on BitGet. So how does one buy, Brett? You're going to have to watch my YouTube video. Look it up. World War Bitcoin on YouTube. And then look up Brett. Poly trade next week. Maybe, maybe not. Say prediction this run. Yeah, I've already... Should I sell and buy higher? Yes. Yes, that is the name of the game. Sell in peak fear and then buy higher. My price target for say is $4.12. So, again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. I am answering more questions on YouTube than I am on TikTok. Financial advice. It's totally financial advice. No, never mind. Forget about that. It's not financial advice. Thoughts on FTM? I have an FTM video coming in a few weeks here. I do think they're going to put in a new all-time high, that they're going to market it like crazy. Bullish on DGI, yes. Yes, still bullish on DGI. Get in render now. I would get into render after the conference next week. The conference. Actually, you know what? These levels right here, these might be good places to put in limit orders. So $9.20, $9.47, something like that. $9.20. I'm waiting for render to get down to that level. I think it will. I'm actually going to add that to the trading sheet. So the NVIDIA conference next week. Yeah. Okay. So all the cryptos in your crypto sheet going to pop? I mean, not necessarily pop. You just got to understand where we are. I do believe they're all going to go higher. And, you know, some may hit, some may not. But, yeah, I think we are going higher for all of them. So... Alex, do you plan to amend your price targets for AOs, GRT, et cetera? No, I'm just going to keep them on there. You know, I mean, it may be that that's all they have left in them is for AOs, you know, a 4 or 5X or something. For GRT, I mean, especially GRT, my price target for GRT is still more than a 7X. Where can I find your sheet? You can find it on any of my YouTube videos. Any of my YouTube videos, World War Bitcoin. On YouTube. You can find it there. So in the description section of any of my YouTube videos, can you look at Arrow? I've already looked at Arrow. I'm very bullish on it. But thank you for that super chat. Aleph price target is probably is approximately a 35X. Yeah. I mean, could be a very big gainer or could be a huge miss for me. So circulating supply, I mean, listen, I've already talked about Arrow a ton. I'm very bullish on it. I do appreciate the super chat. You got to be mindful when you see something like this. Don't chase green candles, but this is in the base ecosystem. The base ecosystem is where it's at in terms of where's the best opportunity for growth. I would say it's base. So Ethereum price target, $11,689, which is on the spreadsheet. Ajax seller hold. Right now, I would say hold. Well, no. Let me say this. Right now, I just shave a little bit off the top. You know, 10%, take some profits, but I do believe Ajax is going higher. So, do you take 10 to 20% profits when available or wait till at least 2X? It depends on what kind of a market we're in. In a bull market, it's better in general, I think, to diamond hand. But, you know, I'm always going to be taking profits. Always, always, always. Especially for me, I started buying again in November of 2022. So thoughts on OPSEC, very bullish. All right, let's see. Hi, Alex. How are you? Do you think Brett can reach a $1 billion market cap? Looks very promising. It's been listed on several exchanges in the last week. Yes. Multiple billions of dollars for Brett. Are you still on Beppe? Listen, I bought Beppe, made my video. Beppe pumped, took some profits, took my initials out and then a little bit more. If you see me make a video about a small market cap crypto like Beppe or Produce AI, you should assume that that crypto is going to pump by several millions of dollars in its market cap, and then it's going to go lower and chop and then go higher eventually. So yes, I'm still in on Beppe. Did I take profits? Yes. Could I use something like this as an opportunity to make lots and lots of money off of you? Yes, I could. But I am trying to be careful because I could make a new crypto video every few hours and be like, hey, I'm buying this. You should buy it. Let's go. And then you be my exit liquidity. I am always going to be honest with you about what I think is going to happen with a cryptocurrency. You shouldn't be surprised when you see a cryptocurrency like that go up. It did like a 7 or 8x within a day, and then it dumped. And I wouldn't even say it dumped. It's finding a new normal, a new level. And Beppe isn't even really doing that bad. I mean, I know that for those of you who bought, if you bought in a $20 million market cap, that you're disappointed right now. But it's not like it went straight back down to where it was before. So can you look at GFI? Or do you think it's possible that January 23rd, 2024 was the dip before the bull run? Or there might still be one? There can always be one. Like a lot of content creators do. Yeah, I mean, Beppe's at $8.4 million. It was at $2 million when I first alerted people to it. It got up to $3 million when I made my video. So, guys, I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm going to give you, here are some benefits to either joining my YouTube channel as a member or joining my TikTok as a subscriber. When I make a video on a cryptocurrency that has a small market cap, I will alert my YouTube members and my TikTok subscribers that hey, in an hour, I'm going to be making a video on this cryptocurrency. And so those who paid $5.99 a month on TikTok or $9.99 a month on YouTube, they're not crying right now about Beppe being at $8.4 million. So price predictions for Chlor, I don't have one. I'm just bullish on Chlor. People, Brett and Beppe, wait for it. They'll go much higher. They're gonna go much higher. And listen, you know, I am not just here for the, all right, I'm making a video, price is going to go higher, and then it's going to come back down. If I make a video on something like Beppe or Produce AI on a long enough timeline, I think those cryptocurrencies are going to go much, much higher. But you got to sustain that initial pump and then correction. So everything will go up. Thoughts on API 3? I made a video on my YouTube channel. I make price target videos on my YouTube channel every day at 6 a.m. Eastern time. I spent a lot of time working on those, and I did make a video on API 3 a couple weeks ago. And so I like API 3. I like it more than Chainlink, a lot more than Chainlink from a buy low, sell high perspective. Let me find API 3. $31.82 is my price target. Let's see. Are we going higher or is this it? Andres. Oh my goodness. Come on, man. You can't be like that. I hope you're joking. This is not it. Mike, thank you so much. Super or Beam? I'd say Beam. Price prediction for Aurora, I don't have one. Alex, where are we going with this dip? Ravi, I don't know. You know, there's certain things that I'm looking into right now. Look, the channel. We're just at the bottom of this channel. We have finally come at least close to an interaction with the 20-day EMA. We weren't even touching the 20-day EMA. And finally, we've bounced off of that. We had an interaction with it. Now, I am monitoring this. I am monitoring. We had $132 million of inflows in the stock Bitcoin ETFs yesterday. That's very low. If we're going to stay around $132 million in inflows, then I think we're going to go down pretty hard. How do I sell my Bepe? Sushi swap. Exchange it for based Ethereum, based wrapped Ethereum. So, Jetin, welcome to the channel. Thanks for a Theta price prediction video this morning. You're welcome. Oh, you're joking. Okay. Can make a video on how you make the chart. Make that chart. This right here. There's no video on how to do that. And guys, for those on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Head on over there and join the chat. I'm sharing my screen on the YouTube channel. So parallel channel, that's all you have to do. Go to where it says trend line here, parallel channel, you click on that, and then boom, you just set it to the levels. So Proppy is riding today. That sounds good. Thoughts on Gala? I don't think Gala is going anywhere near its previous all-time high, but 35 cents is my price target. I own Gala, so I'm along for the ride. You know, I bought some at 2 cents. 35 cents, that's almost a 20x. So is Tezos dead? I don't know. I just don't care about Tezos. It is a coin-based cryptocurrency. I don't see any reason to think that Tezos is dead looking at the price action over the last few weeks here. So Telcoin bullish, yes. How you feeling about LCX? Fine. Nothing's changed about my opinion on LCX. Yes, chop. That's the name of the game with LCX right now. Chop. Forever. It seems. I know for some of you, it feels like that. It got up to 35 cents a month ago. I told you all that I was selling a lot of my LCX at 35 cents, at 34.5 cents. And I did. And then I bought back in at 22 cents. And now it's at 23 cents, and it will climb. It will go higher. You just got to be patient. Thoughts on Based Games, ignoring Ty's angry recent videos when things don't pump after his initial videos? I have not seen a Ty update. I did see that he made a video on Based Games. I saw somebody else. I think it was Crypto Sage make a video on Based Games. I saw Crypto Mason tweet about Based Games. I wouldn't be surprised if they were all getting paid to do that. So because of that, Based Games is going to go up. I think that's a stupid name for a cryptocurrency, but I bought $1,000 worth after I saw Ty's first video on it because I was like, okay, you know what? People are shilling it. It's going to go up. So hello, Crypto Guru. Ren price. I don't know anything about Ren. Scoop on Aegis AI. Very bullish on Aegis AI. So your LF price prediction is the 35x. Yes, it is. I'm not changing it. I could see it doing that. Playing off of based chain based games. Okay. How long does it take to bridge from base to ETH? It took me like 5 minutes. Something like that. Sushi, don't have a price prediction. I could see Sushi doing very well. Added to my LCX and ICP positions today. All right. That's how it goes. Do you hold any Engine? Engine is a Euphoria play. Whoa, Euphoria play. Thank you, Justin. Wow. That's amazing. I really appreciate that, Justin. And thank you, Crypto Guru. Will Theta touch $5? Any thoughts on Theta? I just made a video this morning on my YouTube channel. So you can watch the video I made this morning and look. I mean, you should be happy that my price target for Theta is $23.10. I will say this about Theta. they have rebranded, and I'm a little skeptical about their rebrand because they used to be a decentralized competitor to YouTube or decentralized version to YouTube, and they've shut that down. And so now Theta is trying to brand itself as kind of like a render with storage, GPU kind of things. And I'm like, I'm a little skeptical. I'm a little skeptical, Theta. I think you're just trying to rebrand into the narrative that you think is going to do best this run. But you know what? If people believe that Theta is an AI cryptocurrency, then so be it. If you believe that, then I will join along for the ride with Theta. So is Boj still a good buy? It's at a $5 million market cap. I think it's going to go much higher. So yeah. Thoughts on Node AI GPU? Yeah, bullish. Is Loopring good long term? No. Stop spamming, by the way. Nothing's good long term. All right, you're going in mute. Do not spam like that. Nothing's good long term except for Bitcoin. Maybe other things will catch up, but for right now, nah. Shiba's a high conviction play that Shiba's going much higher than where it is right now. So, fan of Casper. Casper was one of my top 5 bear market buys, and then I just kind of gave up on it. So now it's, who knows? I gave up, so maybe now it's going to pump. You know, that's how it works. Thoughts on Axendow? Insanely bullish on Axendow. That is super high conviction. I own a lot of Axendow. It's my second biggest holding, mostly because of how much it pumped. I'm not even thinking about selling my AXGT right now. It is high conviction. Casper or Caspa. I gave up on Casper, the friendly ghost, not on Caspa. Caspa's going to $1.07 in my opinion. So, do you share the spreadsheet on YouTube? Yeah, it's in all my price target videos. But here we go. Has Algorand made any new news? Not that I know of, but you know, people in my comment section on my Algorand video were very touchy about Algorand. So hey, Germany. I've been to Germany. I've been to Berlin and Frankfurt. So good to see you. Oh my goodness. Now you're asking it on TikTok if LRC is good long term. I just muted you on YouTube, man. Yeah, guys, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. And I did answer your question, by the way. World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the subscribe button. Thoughts on Qtum? Ooh, dinosaur crypto. So maybe it could have a pump at least, but I'm not touching Qtum. When will everything rise again? You know, maybe after the halving. Maybe this is it. Oh my goodness. Stupid TikTok saying that they've detected inactivity, so I have to verify that I'm still alive here. VRA, very bullish on VRA. 22.5 cents is my price target. Can you look at TERT, please? Low market cap at KuCoin. TERT. Do you have any Solana? I sold a lot of my Solana when it got that first move up to, what was it, $126 or something like that. I bought Solana all the way down to $7, and so I took a lot of profits. Wow. Okay, I used your Brett video to buy it. It took me 2.5 hours. I mean, it took me 20, 30 minutes, something like that. But, man, that's a bummer. So, TERT sat. I'm assuming this is it. What's 35x price prediction? Alephium. Yeah. I don't know, man. I have nothing for you, Apostolos. You got anything for Lay or RJV? No. Check, please. Perp. Perpetual Protocol. Assuming this is it. Bought at 74 on Qtum. Okay. Perpetual Protocol. Rough bear market. Did very well in 2021. On its way up over the last month, $123 million market cap. Decentralized futures DEX with deep liquidity. I could see this doing well. Yeah. Frontier wallet. I switched from ETH chain to base chain in the wallet. So easy. My new favorite wallet. Good to know. I'll check that out. All right. This is it. All right. For those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head over there. Hit the subscribe button. I am switching to a subscriber-only live stream here on TikTok. And so if you want to remain in the live stream, you'll have 6 minutes during the subscriber-only portion. But then you can always head over to YouTube for the live stream there. So what about sync? Still in sync. Fetch AI price, $10.09 is my price target. Let's see. Alephium, just talked about Alephium, very bullish on it. BVM, don't know anything about it. Chlor price prediction, many X's. Many X's from now. Lay or RJV. Arc block, so no for Lay or RJV. Arc block is so hard to think about, like what's going to happen. I would see Arc block being very bullish, but I mean, last bull run, 2021, they did nothing. So, Alex, you have any recommendation? I got a bit addicted to leverage trading. I am doing good, but then one day I just lost 4K. Should I just not do it at all? Man. Not financial advice. Yeah, thank you, Chris. Not financial advice. You've got to stay disciplined and do just small, grow as a trader. The way that you become a better trader is to trade. That's it. And so if you're doing emotional trades, you're just entering and exiting on your own will, then stop. If you're using high leverage, if you're using 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x leverage, stop. If you want to actually grow as a trader and you trust yourself that you can discipline yourself to use 1 or 2x, then do it. But you've got to be honest with yourself. So I am not bullish on Aurora. I'm bullish on Aurora. All right, trajectory for Game GPT and DJI games, much more bullish on Game GPT. I'm bullish on both. But Game GPT, I've been saying for a while, wait until about April, and Game GPT is going to tear. Now, it's already done great since it bottomed out, so maybe now's the time. Thank you, new subscribers, Moon and Guru, by the way. Thoughts on Jupiter? I think Jupiter is going to do great. They just need to get through these airdrops. So, but I am bullish on Aurora. I just don't think it's going to hit a new all-time high. Would you buy ETH, ICP, and NEAR right now? I'd buy all three. Yeah. So, let's see. You can't get better at golf if you don't play every day. There we go. Yeah. If you need the money, don't do it. There we go. If you need the money, don't leverage trade. Yeah. My leverage trades have gone very well. I've definitely had some losers, but all right, here's the best advice that I could possibly give you right now. And I will call this advice because we're not talking about financial advice. Well, I mean, whatever. All right, it's not financial advice, okay? There are 4 things you can do when you enter a trade. You can win big, lose big, win small, or lose small. Okay? What you need to be able to do is to eliminate losing big and have these 3 left. You will still have some small losses, but your big wins, your small losses. Do everything within your power to eliminate the small losses. And the biggest way that you eliminate the small losses is that if the most difficult thing to do is to exit a losing position. when you are doing leverage trading, that it is incredibly difficult. I was losing on my quant. I opened an Ethereum long yesterday. I woke up this morning. I was losing a little bit on those. I cut those losses. And I also cut some big gains as well, just took some off the table. If you can discipline yourself to not get stuck in these small in these small losses that turn into big losses, you will win. But the emotional energy that it takes to get out of the small losses that could end up being big losses, it is not easy. So figure that out and you'll be good. All right, subscribers. Bro, should I buy SHIB now or wait? I'd buy. I still have Gala V1 on Coinbase. I can't do nothing. I have no idea. Yeah, I have no idea. Cello price prediction between $7 and $8. Let's see where Cello is. Cello, $7.64. Thank you, Moon. Thank you so much. ICP and XTZ buy. ICP, yes. XTZ, I mean, when Euphoria comes, XTZ is on on Robinhood. People are going to buy Robinhood. Thank you, user 799 for subscribing. Could we please look at total 3 chart? Yeah. Total 3's fine, by the way. I know. So it's just in an uptrend. I know yesterday, last 2 days have been red. Total 3 is in an uptrend. Will we have some kind of a correction? We could have another move down, maybe bounce off some EMAs, maybe the 50-day EMA, but I'm not worried at all about total 3. Solana price prediction, $694, something like that. Even with the dips, I'm still up so much just by listening. Thank you. Thank you, Chris. I can't get my Coinbase wallet to link with KyberSwap. I don't know what to say. I mean, I used Trust Wallet and it linked with KyberSwap. You could, if you want, if you don't have a Trust Wallet, get a Trust Wallet, transfer your based Ethereum to a based Ethereum address on Trust Wallet. Make sure it's the right blockchain, that it's a base Ethereum address and not a ERC20 address, and then you should be able to do that. So can you look at Miro? Miro's a meme coin, right? So sure, Miro. Thoughts on Mint Layer? Still very bullish on Mint Layer. I know that it's been struggling lately, but it did a 50x within a short period of time, within a month or something like that. Of course it's going to chop and go down, but Miro, I mean, what am I looking at? Chart looks good. It's chopping, it's consolidating, but Miro's going to be just fine. What's your take on the current dip in Bitcoin? User 799, I would just recommend watching my most recent video. What I'm paying attention to right now on TikTok, my most recent TikTok video. What I'm paying attention to right now is I want to see spot Bitcoin ETF inflows today. Yesterday was not a very good day for inflows. If spot Bitcoin ETFs, it was $132.7 million for inflows yesterday. If that is a new norm for spot Bitcoin ETFs, then I do think we're going to go much lower. And maybe we have another 20% dip to have. But listen, these next few months, at the very least, I am bullish. And we have 20 to 30% dips all the time in bull runs. And so it shouldn't scare you away. All right, you're going to try that today. Caspa is concerning me, wondering if I should sell half my bag and move to something else. Maybe, maybe not. Caspa, I know that people who hold Caspa are pretty frustrated. You've been so used to seeing Caspa just go on an absolute tear, just go up, up, up. And Caspa hasn't been doing that the last couple months. And so it will, thank you, Anger, it will go up again. But I wouldn't be concerned at all with Caspa. Cello price prediction, 764, I think it is, 764, yeah. Can't always have green. Would you buy Pendle now or wait to see a bigger dip? I'd be buying Pendle now. They have so much money flowing into their ecosystem. There's no dip with Pendle that's really going to scare me away from buying it. Yeah. What was the name of the website to create coins? You can only create the coins in the Solana ecosystem. Yeah. Game.fun. It's insane. And I will say this, I actually like traded. Uh-oh. Did I do it wrong? Was it game.fun? Oh, that's weird. Okay. All right, the first place I heard about it was from Crypto is Good. Crypto is Good on, I have a ton of neon wondering if I should get out and get something else. I would get something else. So Crypto is Good, on X here. There we go. Crypto is Good. I think because we have a red day, people are panicking. Yes. What chart would be best most accurate to watch for Sync, TradingView, or MEXC? I would say TradingView. All right, let's see. I want to find this website. Oh my goodness, Pump.fun. All right. Pump.fun is the website, not game.fun. So, yeah, all right, Pump.fun, yes. So this is the website where you could literally, within a minute, create a Solana meme coin. And I made money. I've made money trading some of these, like Fidel Cato. I would have no problem buying Fidel Cato right now and seeing it go higher and seeing, buying, selling. I just created a coin yesterday just for fun, just to see how it went. And I looked through my images, whatever the first image that showed up on my laptop, I was like, all right, I'm going to create a meme coin based off of this image. And so it was a picture of Michael Jackson. And so I created a coin, he. And immediately some people bought it. But then after a few people bought it, nobody else bought it. And then so immediately this one person bought 2 Solana worth of he. And then he sold. And then a couple other people bought it. And then he sold his shares for his share of he for 2.07 Solana. So, hey, he won. He got 2.07 Solana. Where are we? All the mentioned coins went from 2 to 3x, but there's no difference between Crow and ICP. They are there. Sulman, I don't know what you're asking. If you're just being impatient, I would encourage patience. Is your price prediction sheet on YouTube videos or TikTok? YouTube videos. I did not find your Google sheet on the YouTube videos. Do not click on my live stream videos. Click on my Theta video that I just made today. It is in the description of that video. And so I'll double check right now. Any take on Cybria? Cybria is not, I don't like Cybria. They don't have, they have very little activity on their network. They have very little volume and barely any commits on their GitHub. So price target for AXGT. I think it's going much higher, maybe like a 5 to 10x in it right now. So hopefully that's not okay. Let me pause that. All right, here, description section of my YouTube channel. Let's see. Price targets for the 2024-2025 bull run right there. docs.google.com/spreadsheets. GHX Gamer Coin. Any thoughts? I looked into it a little bit. I could see that doing very well. Yeah. LCX. I'm going to say the same thing I've been saying about LCX. It will go higher. It's been a little over a month. It could be another month. It could be another 2 months, but it will go higher. What's the website named where we can make the coins? Pump.fun. LRC or Pendle. Anything or Pendle. I'm saying Pendle. Highest conviction crypto. So should I make a cryptocurrency on Pump.fun and tell you about it? Well, I did make one. So let me see if he will show up. And if you want to buy it, that's on you. This is the biggest degen play that I could ever possibly show you. And there it is. Market cap 5.46 thousand. Has anyone bought any? Nope. I created it and nobody has bought any since the few minutes after I created it. But if you want to buy here you go. Good luck to you. All right, let's see. Any idea about Sui Layer 1? Yes. Sui is an incredibly highly inflationary cryptocurrency, which gives me some concerns, but the ecosystem's amazing. I really like Sui for their ecosystem. But inflation, you never know. $11.43 is my price target. That's still an 8x or something. Any thoughts on Jasmine? Very bullish. All right, lost connection. Brett on BitGet at 8 bill, but ours is 350 million. Shouldn't they be tied together? You're going to see errors like that. The correct market cap for Brett is 350 million. Yeah. Where is he? Yeah, there's the link. I posted the link. So everybody, let's get us some he. If you I'm just going to tell you now. If you buy this, you are probably going to lose money. But you know, it's a $5,000 market cap. So here's what will happen. Actually, hey, let me tell you this. If you buy, if like 4, 5, 6 of you were to buy some what will happen is that it'll show up on the page, and then maybe that will draw some other people to buying it. And then maybe what will happen is we'll get to a $69,000 market cap, and then it'll get listed on some of these on Dex Screener, and the liquidity will be locked on Radium, and then the sniper bots will hop on in immediately and drive it up to like a $500,000 market cap. And then good luck selling it. You're going to have some trouble selling it because it's just going to be so wild, that price action. So, all right, where did you post the link on he? In my live stream on YouTube. All right, Moon got big bag, really like it, bought on 0.34 price. Oh, on Sui, that's great. Yeah. What's the market cap for he? $5,000, $5,479. So what network? What network? Solana. If you're talking about he. DGI Games, again, bullish on DGI Games. So one of you idiots bought this. Okay. All right. Welcome. You bought 0.03 Solana worth of he. Degen, absolute degen. So I could sell my initial investment of 0.5. That's me right there. 0.5. And I could sell it right now for 5.03, something like that. So Yeah, but DGI Games, Blue Dive, I've made videos on DGI Games. I'm probably going to make another one. They make money. I like cryptocurrencies that make money. All right, so DGI makes money. Selling the remaining kidney to buy, hee. What are sniper bots? All right. Yeah, man, we're getting into the gold right now. Okay. So this is something, if you want to gamble a little bit with these Solana meme coins, this is something that you should look into. I favorited this. I saved it. Where do I see my saved posts on X? I'm still learning. Bookmarks. I bookmarked it. All bookmarks. Come on. Here we go. Reflection. I don't follow this guy. But let me read this. Brett or he. He. For sure. 100%. No, I'm just messing. All right. In 3 hours, this Solana degen turned $22 into $128,969. He made one trade and his token surged by 5,689x. You don't have to be a genius to achieve the same. Here's mega thread on how to flip crap coins to 1,000x profit. And then let's click on the thread. Ay. Okay. Whale's huge profit was made on meme coin BALLZ. He bought the coin immediately after its launch for $22. Just 3 hours later, he sold the coin in 4 transactions, each for $32,000. Total profit $124,000. You might have thought these were insiders or developers, but actually, absolutely anyone is capable of doing this by sniping meme coins launch. I'm going to uncover all the secrets, blah, blah, blah. Snipe on launch. The first step is to discover a coin before its listing. Twitter is overflowing with insights that can help identify the next gem. So track big influencers and monitor their new follows every day. Yeah, worth following, worth paying attention to. I usually analyze X accounts through tweetscout.io. So how about you do that? Something like that. This tool helps understand which influencers are following the projects. Scoring over 200 is a good indicator. So I'm going to follow right now tweetscout.io. So I can turn $22. I was already following them. So I can turn $22 into $192,000, whatever. It's not happening, but Sniper the launch. Degens use sniper bots to purchase the tokens as quickly as possible. For Solana, TeamMe/BonkBot. This is the bot right here. I'm not doing any of that nonsense with Ethereum bots. Those gas fees, absolutely not. Thank you, Reed. But Solana, BonkBot, yes. All right. So open the bot in TG, deposit Solana or ETH into your wallet. Now you can snipe tokens by entering CA, the contract address. And then MEMECOINS trading pattern. Just remember, this is usually how it works out. Firstly, new buyers and snipers purchase the coin on the initial pump. Then a dump occurs, snipers take profits. After that, smart wallets start accumulating the coin for the next price pump. So coin launches, new buyers, they snipe, the snipers, and then they exit, and then the smart money comes in, reaccumulation, etc. So that's pretty much how it works out. Anyway, let's see. You're welcome, Blue Dive. SHIB is sliding. When is it going to bounce back? It could be a couple months. All right, another buy of he. I don't know if that was any of you, but maybe you sucked somebody in, you know? So welcome to the buyer of he. But listen, I'm telling you, Shiba Inu is going much higher. Just got to be patient. To connect my wallet for he, it's asking for my phrase. Is that okay? Oh, Big D, it should not be asking for your phrase. I I don't know why it's asking for your phrase. I connected my wallet just fine, and there's a lot of transactions happening here. So be careful with that. All right, Polyswarm. I'm adding it to the list, Andres. So I wish I brought my laptop to the... All right, here we go. We're moving. So I don't know. Yeah, never give your seed phrase. Will, thank you for purchasing a subscription. All right, going to try again. So I don't know. Like somebody just bought a 1 Solana worth of he. Maybe that was you. If so, I would not say that that was the best decision in the world. But if this is a random person on here, that because somebody bought 0.03 Solana and then another person bought 0.7, that this is like being sent to the front of the page, I could, if I had my laptop on me now, I could sell my initial 0.5 Solana investment and make, I don't know, 0.1 Solana profit, something like that. It's nothing crazy. Put it in, but I can afford to lose it. So was that you, the 1.04 Solana? So maybe, I don't know. Add he to the price prediction list. Oh man, I'm so tempted to create something on here and start an X account and start a Telegram group and all of that, and get the bots in there showing buy of whatever cryptocurrency, not he. This was just a test. And now let's see where it can go just for fun. So what was I saying? Because if I did that, and if I notified, what I would do is I would notify my subscribers on TikTok, my followers on YouTube, or my members on YouTube, and then notify my Telegram group. Hey, I created this meme coin, and who knows? Let's see where it goes. And then I made a video about it on TikTok. That meme coin would go to several $1 million in market cap. Alex, make the ticket dog with no BALLS. Do it. I mean, Demas, yeah, you would make money. It's my conscience here that I'm talking about. Stepped away from a second. Not sure if you responded to my comment about the Walmart short. Mike, I didn't even see a comment about a Walmart short. Maybe I missed it, but you should do that. Lux Home Remodeling. Okay. I mean, what's the difference? It's an easy way to create a meme coin. And I'm fine creating a meme coin. Here's what would need to happen. We would need to get this to a $69,000 market cap so that it would bond, the liquidity would be locked. And so we would need some investment. I mean, right now, with a little bit of investment here, he is at a $6,153 market cap. So we would need to get this up to $69,000 in market cap before I made the video. Get up to $69,000. Let's get the bots out of the way. Let's get it listed on DexCheck, Dex Screener. And then it would be good to pump that. But let me show you something. Here's one that I looked into yesterday. Dog with hijab. Let me show you what happened with this one. Actually, I'm just going to type in hijab. I would do it on base. I mean, it's so easy to create these ones on oh my goodness, where's dog with hijab? Hijab. Here it is. All right. So this one got seeded. And then I'd happily, wow, $3,000 and $1,000. Listen, you don't need to invest $3,000 or $1,000 to, what am I thinking here? To get it up to a $69,000 market cap. That's not how it works. It would be much less than that. So dog with hijab. This thing launched on Radium. So it got up to $69,000 and then it launched. And then it went up to a $1 million market cap. The bots got it up to a $1 million market cap. And then it just went straight back down. And now it's at a $15,000 market cap. So that's what would happen. And if you're able to sell while it's on its way up to $1 million market cap, then you'll make decent returns on your investment. But if not, you're going to be down. And it's going to have that pump, and then it's going to flatline like dog with hijab did. And then it would go higher. And then we could hype it up, make a video on it, stuff like that. So a possible loss would be by $500. Is WIF a good buy for the next few months in your opinion? Yes. Yeah. We're about to be rich. Just take the dip. Juno is Avalanche ecosystem, not Avalanche, Cosmos ecosystem cryptocurrency. I like the Cosmos ecosystem. Man, Bitcoin bouncing back. I'm in. I would take the chance on the meme. Don't invest 1,000 or 3,000, you know. Yeah, halving hasn't happened yet. In the he club, let's see what's going on with he. You degens, man. Do you have a target on Arrow? No. I could see it doing multiple X's. So I am curious to see if some of these buys might actually just be people on the website. If you make a video and we investors post it on groups, I think it can stay for long and grow. All right. Let me think about it over the weekend. Do you know Seal with Hat? I don't. I mean, MEMECOIN, right? I'll buy some where to buy it at? Pump.fun. Pump.fun. And then go to, just search HEEE and you'll find it. How can I buy Yep. Pump.fun. This might actually be, now that it, some of you have bought it. 3 minutes ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 39 seconds ago, 8 seconds ago. That might actually be people, just random people buying this now. So, do you ever get a price target for Cody? It's on the list. It is next week. Next week, I'm going to make a price target video on Cody. So, Bitcoin pump. Bitcoin's moving up. Showing strength. I wouldn't be surprised if there was buy volume from the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Okay, I am about done right now. So, out of curiosity, let's make it happen, and then we'll all donate 10% to a charity. Yeah, that's on you. Do you think Call Hub could hit a $100 million market cap? Pump.fun, F-U-N. Can you tell me what it is if you know already? Diamond, what are you talking about? Pump.fun. All right, hold on a second. Let's see. Yeah, Call Hub, could it get to 100 million? It could, yeah. Illuvium target $1,000. Oh, Cody. Okay. Sorry, Diamond. Yeah, I don't know. I won't have a price target until the day that I make that video. So, could you please explain what happens after the launch on a centralized exchange? I don't get why Brett on BitGet pumped to $4.5 and holds 0.8 and why the price is 0.4 on other exchanges. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know. Yeah, AXGT looks good. Yep. This is getting real. Let's see. I'm more interested in now than I am in 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 Bitcoin. He to the moon. Diamond hands. I'm forced to diamond hand my he. Like some of you, if you bought like 14 minutes ago, you could sell right now and take profits on it. So, all right, I'm going to be done. Thank you all for your time. All right, yeah, I see. There's a note there. Alex's mate, Josh, V_VSZ. So, he to take over Bitcoin. Let's do it. Well, all the AI cryptos still gain a lot before the NVIDIA conference. They've just been chopping lately. So I wonder if they're just going to continue to chop. But, all right. After the dip from today, I don't know. Buy or sell DGI. I'm a buyer. Is there a video on how to buy on Pump.fun? It's really simple. It's really easy. Just connect your wallet, your Phantom wallet. If you have a Phantom wallet, that's what I use. Okay, and then you can buy it easily. So, thank you, Damas. Thank you all. I am done for today. Have a good one.